What's going on, fellas, and whatever else you may call your thing? Sorry I haven't made you a little video in a while. You know, as you can see, I've been moving. Boat's stored here. Follow me. You can see I got it all wrapped up. You know, diving cabins sealed. So, we got this thing here, and if we go to the other side, you'll see that I have all my crap here, and it's been a lot of weeks, every day straight, moving all my crap. There is all my tools in here. Jeez, come on, camera. Holy jeebus. There's all my tools in here. There's 3 engines in here. There's a lot of stuff in here. But this shop is bigger than the one that I built this 6-liter in. Both of the engines in the boat, and an engine for an S10 that sadly got killed a week after I put the engine in it. That video is in my YouTube channel. It's about a year old, but you know, you should go watch it. Sad day. I miss that truck. Anyways, this is my new residence, and hopefully we'll get back to the video soon. I just got to get settled in, and we'll get back with you. Please bear with me. Please like and subscribe. Help a fella out. I'm only doing this for you guys, so let's get to the next one. Stay tuned. We'll catch you later.